Alright, y'all see, we up in here. Y'all know we got Mika last night. Y'all know with the little camera thing. See, I'm up on this bitch early in the morning. Yeah. But nigga, tell him how you was.
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You slept deep last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Hey, she slept too deep last night, y'all. But, shoot. What?
A hamburger $1.
I think so. No. For a cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Yeah, $1.99. Or is it $1?
Oh, it's $1.
I don't know. But say what's up, Lexi? Lexi was the one that was playing with Mika face last night, y'all. With a little small hand going like. Mika, what you gotta say about last night, bro?
Nothing.
Huh? You better
Nothing.
talk, man.